All right, we've got some Monday birthdays to celebrate, and we begin in Baxter Springs with Cash Kirkwood celebrating birthday number 4, and this comes with love from Mima and Papa Kirkwood. Happy birthday, Cash. We also continue our birthday list with Mason Crozier celebrating birthday number 14 in Arcadia. Birthday aired on Friday with no picture, but they wanted to make sure we got a picture in there. So that just means Mason gets to celebrate all week long. Happy birthday.
And Colby Matson celebrating birthday number 15 in Galena with love from Aunt Jin and Grandma Patty.
And we've got Madeline Hare celebrating birthday number 18 at Chanute. And Madeline is a senior at Chanute High School, and this, of course, comes with love from the family.
Heavenly Crawford, turning 20 years old this year. Heavenly celebrating in the bus. Happy birthday, Heavenly.
And we've got Bailey Monty celebrating birthday number 20 over in Parsons. Bailey, a very happy birthday to you.
In Pittsburgh, turning 38 this year. It's time to celebrate for Darren Triber.
And we've got Lindsay Faye Guffey celebrating birthday number 39. Lindsay, a very happy birthday to you.
All right. And Lacey Brandstein, turning 42 years old this year. Lacey is in Crestline.
And we've got Barbara Persinger celebrating birthday number 46 in Joplin. And this happy birthday comes from your husband, Yancey. Barbara, happy birthday to you.
All right, Michelle Joyce celebrating double nickels. Happy number 55 in Carthage. Understand birthday was actually on Friday, so a little belated birthday wish with love from the family.
And we've got Bill Markham over in Chanute celebrating birthday number 59. Happy birthday, Bill.
Tina Westhoff turning 62 this year in St. Paul.
And Shirley Zwalen turning 68 in Oswego, and she's pictured there with her very large cat, Benson. Shirley, a very happy birthday to you.
So struggle not to drop the cat there. All right, and Carl Studebaker celebrating birthday number 73. Definitely not going to drop that baby. Carl is in Fredonia.
We've also got Shirley Beneke celebrating birthday number 87 in Parsons, and this comes as a happy birthday from Ben, Chris, Karen, David, Ethan, Aiden, and Landon. Happy birthday, Shirley.
All right. And our birthday list goes on. We've got Tanya Davis celebrating number 47 in Pittsburgh. Christy Parrish is turning another year wiser in Arcadia, Kansas, and Doug Thomas celebrating in Pittsburgh.
And we've also got Sandy Krumsick celebrating a birthday in Joplin today. And we've got a 52nd wedding anniversary for Mark and Jenny Allen in Baxter Springs. Happy birthday and anniversary to you all. This list, as I've mentioned, keeps getting better and better, and we get more and more pictures, and that's how we like it. And if you'd like to submit yours, Tanya can tell you how.
It's fairly easy. All you have to do is send us a picture with the name and all the details to birthdays@koamtv.com or birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And while you're checking out our website for all the cool stuff that it has to offer, including for tomorrow, the latest election information, make sure you check out the KOAM Birthday Club. It's super easy to sign up for. All you need to do is just quickly click on that link, punch in some information, and then you get registered there for some great deals from local businesses. In addition, you get a nice happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. It's the KOAM Birthday Club over at koamnewsnow.com.